Dear students, let's begin with the next point from the nomenclature topic, that is fused and bridged ring system. How the nomenclature is given to these molecules we will study, and the rules for this nomenclature. So the compound is fused and bridged ring system. So if you see these molecules, two molecules, so the first is fused ring system and second one is bridged ring system. So in case of fused ring system, you know that two carbon atoms are common to both the rings. So this one and this one, so two carbons are there and which are common to both the rings, then such rings are known as fused ring system. But in case of this bridged ring system, one carbon is common to both the rings and two carbon carbon bonds are common here. So this is a bridged ring system is there. Now see this next line para. In bridged ring system, the common carbon atom, this common carbon atom is called bridgehead carbon atom. So this carbon is a bridgehead carbon atom. Across the bridgehead carbon atoms, there are chains of one or more carbon atoms which are called bridges. So this is a bridge. So this bridge may be of one or more carbon atom. Okay, it has only a single carbon now, therefore it is one bridge carbonate molecule is there. So these bonds are known as bridges. Only in fused ring system, one of the bridge does not have any carbon atom. So this is also the bridge, but there is no any carbon atom in between the bond. So we are going to now nomenclate these compounds, that is fused ring system and in bridge ring system. So now let's begin with the rules. So now see here, both the above type of compounds, that is fused and bridged ring system, have the same rules. So now see the first rule, the prefix bicyclo is followed by a square bracket. The number of carbon atoms in each ring is indicated in the bracket, and these numbers are indicated in the descending order. So while counting the numbers of carbon atoms, we should exclude the bridgehead carbon atoms from while writing in the square bracket, and these numbers are separated by a dot. So it is similar to the Spiro compounds, but in case of Spiro compounds, we have written the numbers in the square bracket in the ascending order. First initially suppose the 3 then 4, but in case of this bridge ring system and fused ring system, we are giving the numbers in the descending order, that is we will write the number that is bigger number in the first in the square bracket and followed by the smaller number. Now see the second one, then the square bracket is followed by the name of parent alkane corresponding to the total number of carbon atoms in the ring including common carbon atom. So similar to the Spiro, we are going to count the total number of carbon atoms in the molecule. The third rule, the numbering now starts from one of the bridgehead atom. Now see here, this is the bridgehead atoms and the numbering starts from that. So the numbering starts from one of the bridgehead carbon atom and proceeds around the ring following the larger path. So the numbering starts towards initially to the bigger ring, then to the smaller ring. So it is just reverse of the Spiro nomenclature of Spiro compounds. If there are substituents present, they are indicated before the prefix bicyclo. So before the prefix bicyclo, we will write if the molecule has substituents and are to be arranged alphabetically along with respective number or position. And the fifth last one rule, the functional groups of highest priority is given minimum number and it is incorporated as a suffix in the name of parent alkene. If carboxylic group is there, then the name of this parent alkene will be the according to the name of carboxylic acids. So these are the rules. After when we start the solving the examples, you will know how these rules are followed here. So now see this example here. Okay, so this is a compound, that is a fused ring system is there. So for this molecule we will write first as the prefix bicyclo. So bicyclo followed by a square bracket, so in the square bracket we will write the number of carbon atoms in the ring. So the number of carbon atoms, now see the number, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 carbons are there in the first ring, then followed by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second carbon, 4.4, and in the bridge there is no any carbon atom, therefore it is written as 0. So the name for this molecule is bicyclo 440, and now we are going to count the total number of carbon atoms. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 carbon atoms are there in the molecule. Therefore, the name of this parent alkane is decane. So the name for this molecule is bicyclo 440 decane. So this is what we are applying the rules of nomenclature to nomenclate the bicyclic compounds. Okay, the next is this one. So this is a common bond is there, and this is a fused ring system. Now we are going to nomenclate this molecule. So it is written like this one. So the numbers, okay, so if you see this molecule is a bicyclo, so bicyclo in a square bracket, now count the numbers. So this is a common carbon atoms are there, therefore the numbering is only 1 here, so 1 dot. So in the left hand side also 1 carbon is there only, so 1.1. so in this common carbon has no carbons, therefore it is as a 0. So it is bicyclo 1.1.0, and total number of carbon atoms are, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane is there. So this is the nomenclature for this molecule. The next is the numbering, how the numbering is given. So these two molecules are simple, and the equal number of carbon atoms on the left hand and on the right hand of the common carbon atoms are there. So now see this example. So in this case I will write here the bicyclo group is the substituents in this molecule. So one is chloro substituent is there, another one is methyl. So if you can see that these two substituents, one is chloro, another is methyl. So for the chloro, C is first in the alphabet than M for methyl. Therefore the substituent, the number for this chloro has given smaller number than the methyl. So in this case we know that the number is started. So now see this third rule, number starts from one of the bridgehead carbon atom and proceeds to the bigger ring and then to the smaller ring. So this is a bridgehead carbon atom and numbering starts from here. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. So at the second position chlorine group is there, and at the 7th position methyl group is there. Therefore it is 2 chloro, 7 methyl, bicyclo in the square bracket. So total number of carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 4.4. There is no any bridgehead carbon atom, therefore it is 4.4.0, and total number of carbon atoms are 10, therefore it is a decane. So the name of this molecule is 2-chloro 7-methyl bicyclo 4.4.0 decane is there. So this is very simple. So in this case only the difference between the Spiro and bicyclo is that in case of Spiro we write Spiro and then followed by a square bracket. So in the square bracket the numbering is given in the ascending order, that is the smaller rings are numbered first and then in bigger, but in case of this bicyclo it is reverse one. In the square bracket we are giving the number in the descending order, means the numbering is given first to the bigger ring then to the smaller ring, and the numbering starts from one of the bridgehead carbon atom. So this, see this example, next example. So in this case this is a common to both the rings. So this is a cyclobutane is there, this is the cyclohexane ring. So both the rings are fused, and for both the rings this bond is common. Okay, now we are going to nomenclate this molecule. We know that numbering is started from one of the bridgehead, so the number will start from here or from here. So I will draw the same molecule here. And numbering is CH3. So now the numbering is given either at this carbon or at this carbon, either at this carbon or this carbon. So if I write this number here, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the substituent has fifth number. If we give number from this carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5 6, then for the methyl substituents the second position is there. And from the rule we know that if substituents is there in the molecule, the number is given in such a way that the substituent should have the smallest possible number. Therefore this numbering is correct than this numbering. Therefore the name of this molecule is 2, that is at the second position methyl group is there, so it is 2-methyl bicyclo. So 1 2 3 and 4, so 4 carbon is there, 1 and 2 carbons, and at the bridge there is no any carbon, therefore it is written as 0. So it is 2-methyl bicyclo 4.2.0, and total number of carbon atoms are 8, therefore it is an octane. Now the next is okay, the last example of this bicyclo is this one. So at both the side 5-membered ring is there. At the second here the OH group is there, therefore number starts here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now see this molecule, so OH is alcoholic functional group is there, therefore if the functional group is there in the molecule, then this the name of that functional group is given to the parent alkene at the right hand side. So the name is bicyclo. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this name is, it should be a bicyclo. It should be 3.3 0, and total number of carbon atoms are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is a octane, but alcoholic functional group is there at the second, therefore it is 2-octanol. So this is a wrong. It is a bicyclo 3.3.0 2-octanol. This is a name for this bicyclic molecule. Now suppose the bridgehead or the common carbon has a bridgehead carbon is there. So now see here, this is a 2-ring system. This is common to both the rings. This bonds are common to both the rings. Then so this molecule is written like this one. Suppose I will give this marking. So this mark are like here. These 2 carbon atoms are here. And this bridgehead carbon is here. And these 2 carbons these two are common to both the rings. So this is what the bridgehead molecule is there, and we are going to nomenclature these molecules. Now see here, we know that this molecule is a bicyclo. In the square bracket, the numbering starts from one of the bridgehead carbon atoms, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So only 2 carbon atoms are there in the 2 and 3, that is 2 carbon atoms and 2 carbon atoms, therefore it is written as 2.2. So in the last few examples we have seen the third digit in the square bracket is 0. Why? Because this bond is common to both the rings and there is no any carbon atom. But now see this molecule here, this carbon is common to both the rings, therefore the one is common here, a bridgehead carbon is there, therefore the number is 2.2.1 and total number of carbon atoms are 7, therefore it is a heptane. So the name of this molecule is bicyclo, in the square bracket 2.2.1 heptane. Now the next example is this one. Now see this example. So I will write again this example in the left hand side. So if you see this molecule, so one is 7-membered, another is a 5-membered ring is there. So I will give this 7-membered ring system. So this is a 7-membered ring system. I will again write correctly, then you will okay. If 7-membered ring system, these 3 carbon atoms are there, so 1, 2 and 3. So these are the bridgehead carbon atoms and in that 1 carbon is there. So I will write this example like this also. Okay, so one ring is bigger and another ring is smaller ring is there. So the numbering is given here, 1 bigger ring, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these 2 carbons are there, 1 and 2, and here 1 is there only, therefore it is 6 and 7 and then it is 8. So there you may this molecule can be written like this. Seven-membered ring system, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and this carbon is common here for the ring. Then for such molecules we wrongly write like 4, 5. We give number here, but this is a wrong nomenclature. The number should be given 6 to this 2 carbon atom, carbons 6 and 7, then to the single bridgehead carbon. So the numbering should be given properly, initially to the bigger ring, then to the a smaller ring. So see this example. So numbering starts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number given here 6, 7, then finally at the 8th. So total number of carbons are 8, therefore it is octane in the square bracket. So 1, 2, 3 are there, 3. So 1 and 2 is there, and 1 carbon is common, 2 is there, 1 is there. Therefore it is a bicyclo 3,2,1 octane. Next is the ring, a 6-membered ring is there and it has double bonds and it is a fused ring system. Now the numbering is given here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 6 because here also 2 carbons, here also 2 carbons, but there is a double bond is there, therefore the number is given here 5 6, then 7 8. So the nomenclature for this molecule is bicyclo 222 because 2 carbons 2 carbons 2 carbons, therefore this molecule is bicyclo 222. Then the substituents is at second carbon double bond starts and fifth carbon double bond starts, therefore it is 2 5 and total carbons are 8. It is the octadiene system. So this is very simple nomenclature for these bicyclic molecules. So if you see these rules, initially bicyclo is given, then followed by a square bracket. The numbering is given to the bigger ring first, then to the smaller rings. The number is started to the bridgehead carbon atom common, which is common to both the rings. Then numbering is given from larger to smaller rings, and in the square bracket we write according to the number of carbon atoms in the bigger, then smaller, and then to the bridgehead carbon atoms. If there is no number in the no carbon is there in the bridgehead, common bridgehead, then it is given 0. Then total number of carbon atoms are counted and it is given as a parent name. If substituent is there according to the position of substituent, the numbering is given to this bicyclic molecule. Thank you.